graph, 16y squared minus 4x squared is equal to 64. Notice that with this equation, we have both an x squared term and a y squared term. Their coefficients are different numerically, and there's a minus sign involved. This is the graph, when we graph it, of a hyperbola. Let's start by putting this hyperbola in its standard form by dividing each term by 64. Thus we'll have a y squared over 4 minus x squared over 16 is equal to 1. Now, because our y squared term comes first and it's the positive term, we have a hyperbola that's going to open up and down. This 4 is b squared. If b squared is 4, then b is 2. And that's how far we're going to move up and down from the origin that is the center of this hyperbola. A squared is equal to 16. And so a is equal to 4. And that's our distance that we're going to move right and left from the center of this hyperbola, which is the origin. Let's draw our reference rectangle. So from the center, the origin, it's the center of this hyperbola, we'll go up 2 units, down 2 units. We'll go right and left 4 units. And let's use these points now to draw a reference rectangle. We'll use this reference rectangle and its diagonals to sketch our hyperbola. So draw your diagonals of this rectangle in place and extend them. Now, I mentioned that this hyperbola opens up and down because our y squared term comes first, it's positive. The vertices of this hyperbola are right here on the reference rectangle. Now extend those wings so that they approach these asymptotes. Same down below, extend the wings of that hyperbola to approach the asymptotes. Here you see in blue a sketch of the hyperbola y squared. Let's write that as 16y squared minus 4x squared is equal to 64.